So we're gonna do this demo. You can only participate in this experience if you're able to walk independently and stably on 2 legs, even if the floor is shaking violently. Sounds fun. You can feel it. Oh my gosh, and it's different depending where you step. It's really cool, and it gives real feedback. And the puddles are different than the grates. Yeah.
Sorry about this, folks. Well, you got the real New York experience. So you can just don't worry. Keep the trash aside. Don't let it surround your fantastic tour you're about to go on. Like I said, we got a lot to see, folks, and trash is not really what I was planning on showing you first off. Like I was saying, we've got so much to see in the fight. Okay. I don't know how to tell you this, but we got a visitor on our tour. I don't know where he's going, but you know what, folks? Let's back away. Oh boy. Okay, that is one big partial. And all right, I guess we're gonna wait. Hello? I think he sees us. Oh, he's excited.
I don't think this is going to end well. Ghostbusters!
There they are! Right on time.
Oh my gosh.
All right, well, I think we're safe now, folks. We've got a lot of marshmallow, it looks like. Wow, it's really squishy. Wow, this turned into a pretty sweet tour after all, huh?
When I step on it, it disappears. And you can feel it. It's squishy. There's like feedback. Kind of wish I could eat it. My girls,
Joining us on our New York City walking tour.
Violet would say, I want to eat it.
It's never happened to me before, but hey, come back and join us anytime. You're always welcome.
That was pretty cool.
All right, folks, whenever you're ready, you're going to head right through these doors.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 projectors, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 projectors.
What did you just experience?
12 projectors, 3 video walls. I don't even know what's going on the floor, but it was cool, and it was a lot of cool. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, that was pretty cool. That was the Sony immersive demonstration, and it was immersive in a whole new way. The floor had tactile sensors, and there was video projection, and it reacted to you stepping on the floor. Both there was a sensation, a rumble that you would feel, and it would change. If I stepped in water versus if the Marshmallow Man was walking, then the sensations you would feel would change. It was really cool. Pretty unique. And the fact that it would all interact, I've never seen anything quite like that. That's pretty cool. I hope the line's short. I'm gonna be that rider that goes and jumps in line and does it again real quick. So this is what we just came out of. We were attacked by the Marshmallow Man, Mr. Stay Puft himself. It was pretty impressive. It was unlike any kind of demo or immersive experience I've ever seen. Pretty cool.